Hi YouTube, this is Nick, aka Fingerboarding50, coming at you with a ytrucks unboxing. Let's see if you guys can see that. Yeah, it says ytrucks. Ripped it. Well, that worked. Just gonna open it up like that. What color is that? Is that like the red one or the orange one? What does that look like to you? I'm sorry.
You're asking me?
Yeah, my brother's behind the camera. Let's say hi to the people. Hi to the people. 2 giant ytrucks stickers. Again, yeah. In the back. Two trucks. Oh. 5 ytruck stickers. Okay, well, let's open these. Good packaging. Ah, there's all the stuff. And 5 ytruck stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 5 ytruck stickers, guys. See? Right there. 5 ytruck stickers. Gonna take one truck out. See, it already comes with whatchamacallitums. Pivot cups. Here is one. This is the yellow ones. They don't look yellow, but they are actual yellow. There. It comes with black bushings, and auto-locking nuts, and black base plates. And then the other color I ordered was, it looks like red, doesn't it? Look. See, it looks like red, right?
Yeah.
Maybe they got it mixed up and it is red. I don't know. I ordered those ones were yellow, and I ordered a burnt orange. So, I don't know. It looks like red, but it could be burnt orange. Time to find out. So, I have 10 ytruck stickers now. And all the screws. See, I'm not going to be see, which ytruck color should I use? Which one goes with the board? This? These ones? Or these ones? 12 yellow. Orange ones I'm not going to use right now. I'm just going back in the packaging. I'll show it to you guys. Here. Here's the one orange ytruck. Small trucks. Yeah. Comes with pivotal cups. Comes with a black pivot cup. And this one comes with a yellow pivot cup. And yeah, I'm glad it's got ytruck bushings. Ytruck is also yellow wood, so it's yellow wood bushings. And yeah, so I'm not gonna be using the red ones right now. Put them back in their packaging. Get it out. Oh no, they went right back in. This box. I'm gonna use these ones because they go the best with my board. Bally. The Bally fingerboard about to have ytrucks on it. Huh. Oh, this is gonna be tough. I swear to God, it'll be tough. Will it? I don't know. We'll find out. I'll make a review after I, get to skate it for a little while. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you.